Challenging negative thoughts to beat test anxiety. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many test takers: test anxiety. Specifically, we'll focus on challenging negative thoughts, one of the most effective cognitive strategies to manage this anxiety. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit to tackle those worrisome thoughts head-on. Negative thoughts, often known as cognitive distortions, are irrational or overly negative beliefs we might hold about ourselves or our circumstances. During test preparation or while taking a test, you might think, "I can't do this," or "I always mess up." Recognizing these thoughts is the first step towards challenging them. Here are some of the most common negative thoughts test takers face. 1. I'm going to fail. This assumes a negative outcome before the event has even occurred. 2. If I don't get a perfect score, I'm a failure. This is an example of black and white thinking, where things are either all good or all bad. 3. I always get nervous and perform badly. Here, you're overgeneralizing based on one or two past experiences. 1. Reality check. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or feelings? Many times, you'll find your thought isn't rooted in reality. 2. Positive reframing. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," you might say, "I've prepared as best I can and will give it my all." 3. Look for evidence. If you think, "I always mess up," consider times you've succeeded or done well. Remembering these can counterbalance your negative thought. 4. Talk to someone. Share your fears and negative thoughts with a friend, teacher, or family member. They can offer a fresh perspective. Challenging negative thoughts is like exercising a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger you become. It's essential to practice these techniques regularly. Over time, you'll find it becomes more natural to counteract negative thinking and keep anxiety at bay. Facing and challenging negative thoughts can significantly reduce your test anxiety and enhance your performance. Remember, it's okay to ask for help or seek resources to better manage your feelings. Believe in yourself, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. I hope this video helps you in your journey. Stay positive and happy learning.